today we're diving into RaMusi, a music app that claims to enhance your listening experience. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dig in and see if it's worth your time and money. RaMusi is designed to be your go-to music companion, offering a blend of personalized playlists, mood-based recommendations, and even social sharing features. Right off the bat, the user interface feels clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate. Even for those who aren't tech savvy, you can create playlists based on your mood or activity, which is a nice touch. The app also lets you follow friends and share what you're listening to, adding a social element that some might find appealing. However, while the concept is solid, I noticed that the library of songs can be a bit limited compared to more established platforms. Additionally, the app seems to lack some advanced features that serious music lovers might expect, like higher resolution audio options or in-depth artist information. Overall, it delivers a decent listening experience, but some aspects still feel a bit underdeveloped. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, RaMusi has a user-friendly interface and great mood-based playlist creation, which is perfect for casual listeners. The social sharing aspect is also a fun feature that can enhance your music experience with friends. However, the downsides are significant too. The song library isn't as comprehensive as I'd like, which might frustrate dedicated music fans. Plus, the lack of advanced audio features could be a deal breaker for audiophiles. There's also a noticeable absence of clear pricing information, which raises some trust concerns. If you're someone who values a vast music library and high-quality audio, RaMusi might not be the best fit for you. In conclusion, RaMusi is a decent option for casual listeners who want a straightforward music app with some social features. However, serious music enthusiasts may want to look elsewhere for a more robust experience. If you're curious, it might be worth giving it a try, but just keep those limitations in mind before diving in.